At Gmmco, we know that owning a machine is just the beginning. What matters most is keeping your equipment running efficiently, every day, every shift. That's why we offer end-to-end product support solutions combining technology, expertise, and genuine parts to maximize your uptime and lower your operating cost. Our customer value proposition is simple. We help you plan better, plan repairs before failures, and reduce unplanned downtime. Starting with maintenance and wear parts, we supply genuine cat filters, oils, hoses, tooth points, undercarriage, engine, transmission, and electrical designed for superior performance and reliability. Our range of genuine cat oils and lubricants ensures optimum machine health. Available in various packaging to suit your needs. At Gmmco, we've built a robust warehouse network to ensure every spare part you need is always within reach. Ordering is seamless through Gmmco Assist, parts.cat.com or the Cat Central app. You can place your order anytime from anywhere. We offer flexible CVA, customer value agreements, and MARC, maintenance and repair contracts, ensuring hassle-free service and predictable costs. From regular inspections to major repairs, our trained experts are always ready to keep your machines reliable and productive. Our advanced scheduled oil sampling SOS program helps you detect abnormal wear, contamination, and oil health, enabling perform economical repairs before failure. With Vision Link Equipment Management, you get real-time visibility into your machine's health, location, and utilization, all on your phone or laptop. With our condition monitoring system, we combine SOS reports, Vision Link data, and site inspections to predict potential failures and optimize maintenance schedules. Remote monitoring with Product Link and Vision Link keeps you connected to your fleet anytime, anywhere. For older machines, our rebuild and repair solutions restore performance at a fraction of new machine cost with warranty. With Gmmco, you get more than service. You get a commitment to reliability, performance, and total cost control. Partner with Gmmco to keep your machines powerful, productive, and always in top shape.